So, confidential internal documentation has shed light on Google's plans for the Pixel 10 series camera hardware. According to information obtained by Android Authority, the Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL will maintain the exact same camera setups as their predecessors. Meanwhile, the base Pixel 10 is reportedly undergoing a complete camera system revamp, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold will receive a modest sensor update. The most dramatic shift lies with the standard Pixel 10. For the first time, Google is equipping the base model with a dedicated telephoto camera. While the sensor's exact zoom range hasn't been disclosed, it's confirmed to use Samsung's 11-megapixel JJ1 sensor, which features a smaller 1x3.0-inch sensor size, noticeably tinier than the 1x2.55-inch unit found on the Pro variants. However, this new telephoto lens doesn't come without trade-offs. To offset what appears to be increased production costs, Google is allegedly cutting corners on the main and ultra-wide cameras. The Pixel 9's 1x1.31-inch Samsung GNV main sensor being replaced with a more compact 1x1.95-inch Samsung GN8. On the ultra-wide front, the 48-megapixel Sony IMX858 is reported being downgraded to a 13-megapixel Sony IMX712 sensor. This move raises eyebrows. It appears Google may be prioritizing spec sheet appeal over tangible improvements in image quality. While a dedicated telephoto lens might sound impressive in marketing, it's questionable whether such a small sensor can outperform high-quality digital zoom from a larger main sensor, especially in low-light environments. Ultimately, the Pixel 10 could end up feeling more like a Pixel 9a with a telephoto gimmick than a legitimate flagship evolution. As for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, it too is rumored to be trading sensors, ditching the 64-megapixel Sony IMX7A7 in favor of the 50-megapixel Samsung GN8. Interestingly, this is the same sensor used in the Pixel 9a, and while it brings some improvements in processing, its smaller physical size could be seen as a step back for enthusiasts expecting premium hardware. Google's next-gen Tensor chip is expected to ship with enhanced image processing capabilities, which could theoretically compensate for these hardware downgrades through smarter, AI-driven computation. Whether that's enough to win over consumers remains to be seen. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.